In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do SEO keyword research with Perplexity using the chain strategy. Now, this method is fantastic for those looking to optimize their content and improve search engine rankings by discovering the right keywords. So, let's dive in. Firstly, we're going to start by heading over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're on Google, type in the term Perplexity into the search bar. As you type, you might see various suggestions pop up below the search bar, but we're focusing on just typing the word itself. After you've entered Perplexity, go ahead and press Enter on your keyboard. This will initiate the search, and you should see a list of results appear. Among these search results, locate the official website for Perplexity and click on that link. This will take you directly to their site, where we can begin our keyword research. Once the Perplexity site loads, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. Here's where our real work starts. You want to make your first prompt by entering a question or a phrase that relates to the topic you're targeting for SEO purposes. This should align with the focus of your content or the niche you're working in. After crafting your initial prompt, go ahead and click Submit. This will send your query through Perplexity's system and provide you with some valuable insights. The information you'll receive will form the basis for your keyword research, giving you a clearer picture of potential search terms and phrases. Now that you have some initial data, it's time for a follow-up. Prepare your next prompt based on the results you just received. Think of this as a chance to dig deeper into the data, refine your approach, or explore related keywords that may not have been considered initially. Once you've crafted this follow-up query, click Submit again to retrieve further insights. We're not done yet. There's more analysis to be conducted. Work on another prompt, building on the information gathered so far. The chain strategy really shines when you iteratively refine your queries, allowing you to uncover nuanced keyword opportunities. With each prompt and response, you're assembling a more expansive view of the keyword landscape in your field. Finally, it's time for your last prompt. Utilize all the knowledge you've accumulated through this process to make this one as refined and targeted as possible. When you've done that, click Submit for your final set of results. By now, you should have a comprehensive list of keywords and insights that can effectively guide your SEO strategy. This approach, using Perplexity and the power of iterative prompts, enables a layered understanding of keyword opportunities that are crucial in enhancing your content's SEO performance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this strategy as powerful and enlightening as I do.